Welcome back, fellow creators. Today we have an exciting video planned for you. We will be diving into the world of OpenAI and explore how to create an account, the amazing benefit it offers, and all the powerful Chat GPT Plus. We will reveal the secret of crafting the perfect prompt. So if you are ready to unleash the true potential of AI, let's get started. Let's talk about how to create an account with OpenAI. Creating an account in the gateway to accessing some of the most advanced AI tools on the planet. Follow these simple steps to get started. Head over to OpenAI's official website, that's openai.com, and click on the sign up button. You will be taken to account creation page. Fill in your details including your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure to choose a secure password to keep your account safe. Once you have completed the form, click on Create Accounts. Now congratulations, you are now the part of OpenAI community. Having an OpenAI account comes with a plethora of benefits. Let's take a look at what you gain by being a member of this cutting-edge platform. Access to Chat GPT. With an OpenAI account, you gain access to Chat GPT, one of the most advanced language model ever created. It's like having a conversation with an AI that's powered by GPT technology. Early access to new features. OpenAI frequently releases new updates and features, and as an account holder, you will get early access to try them out before the general public. AI Playground. OpenAI offers an AI playground where you can experiment with various AI models and create mind-blowing applications. Community and support. Connect with a vibrant community of developers, research, and AI enthusiasts. Get support and insights to enhance your AI journey. Alright, now that we know how fantastic an OpenAI account is, let's explore the heart of this video, ChatGPT and prompt. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is revolutionary language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on GPT architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This AI marvel has the ability to generate human-like text and carry out dynamic conversation. Prompt is essentially an instruction or a starting point given to ChatGPT to generate a response. It's like providing the AI with context to shape its output. Crafting the perfect prompt is essential to get the desired output from the ChatGPT. Here are some tips to ensure you write prompt like pro. Be specific. Clearly state what you want from the AI. The more precise your prompt, the more accurate response will be. Add context. Provide relevant context to the AI so that it understands the topic or the situation better. For example, avoid biases. Be mindful of biases if you want unbiased response. So frame your prompt carefully. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and iterate until you get the perfect output. For example, experiment with different prompts and iterate until you get the perfect output. Experiment with different prompts and iterate until you get the perfect output. And there you have it, the complete overview of creating an OpenAI account, the benefit it offers, insight into the Chat GPT and prompt, and the right way to write prompt for the best result. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of OpenAI, create an account, and unleash the full potential of artificial intelligence. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit notification bell. Until next time, happy creating.